Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set floating keyboard. First, open your device's settings and navigate to the General Management section. From there, tap on Language and Input to access your keyboard options. You'll then select your default keyboard, such as Gboard or Samsung keyboard, to reveal its specific settings. This initial step is crucial for unlocking the flexibility of a movable keyboard, allowing for more comfortable one-handed use across various applications. Once you're in your chosen keyboard settings, look for an option labeled Modes or Layouts. Within this section, you should find a toggle or selection for floating keyboard or one-handed mode. Simply tap to enable this feature. You'll immediately notice your keyboard detaching from the bottom of the screen, becoming a smaller, movable window. This makes it incredibly convenient for typing while holding your device with just one hand. With your keyboard now floating, you can easily reposition it anywhere on your screen. Just tap and hold the small handle, often located at the bottom or top edge of the keyboard, and drag it to your preferred spot. To adjust its size, use 2 fingers to pinch in or out, making it larger or smaller. Experiment with different sizes and locations to find the perfect fit for your thumb reach and typing style, enhancing your overall comfort. Beyond basic positioning, many floating keyboards offer additional customization. Dive into the keyboard settings again to explore options like adjusting transparency, changing themes, or even modifying key sizes. This flexibility is fantastic for multitasking, allowing you to see more of your screen while typing. When you wish to return to the full-width keyboard, simply drag the floating keyboard back to the bottom of your screen or tap the mode icon to switch back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.